Good morning, Cappuccino. Miss Castro here, day 5 of our homeschooling fun, and today is Friday. So we're going to do something a little bit different today on Friday. I'm calling it Friday Fun Day. I'll give you the directions in just a minute, but I want to go over some examples from the Math Space assignment number 10. A lot of people were having a hard time getting started on this, I think because the directions were a little bit difficult to understand. So let me do a couple of examples. Number 1 through 4 on Math Space number 10. You had a problem maybe that looked like this, and it says, what do you need to add to both sides to get the letter by itself? How can I get the letter by itself? How can I get rid of minus 12? To get rid of minus 12, we need to do the opposite. We need to add 12. Okay, it's that simple. Whatever they had here, you just need to add the opposite. Okay, so that's how you do problems 1 through 4. Very simple. You don't actually have to solve the equation and find the letter. You just have to say, what's the opposite of minus 12? That would be add 12. Okay, problems 5 through 7, you just need to make sure the two sides of the equation equal the same thing. So if this side says 3x plus 2, then this side has to say 3x plus 2. The two sides, the left side and the right side, have to be the same. They have to equal each other. So what do I need for these to be the same? This would need a 2. That's it. That's all you have to do on those. Okay, now 8 through 12 is where you actually have to do some work. So here's where we want you to do the balance method. So I can think about deconstruction. I can think about what's happening here. X is being times by 3 and then added by 21. So I need to do the opposites to get the x by itself. I need to minus 21 and I need to divide by 3. The opposite of plus is minus. The opposite of times is divide. And now I'm going to do them in this order. I'm going to get rid of the plus 21 first. So I'm going to do 3x plus 21, and to make the plus 21 go away, I'm going to minus 21. Now, if I do it to the left side, I have to do the exact same thing to the right side. So I'm doing the minus 21 to both sides of the equation. You can actually type this in to Math Space, and it will give you a little green circle with a check. It won't be complete, but you will know you're doing it right. You can do it one step at a time. Okay, so now if I simplify this, 21 minus 21 is 0. So I have 3x. 27 minus 21 is 6. So I took care of my minus 21. Now I need to divide by 3. So I'm going to take both sides and do the same thing to both sides. Divide by 3, divide by 3. 3 divided by 3, well, as we learned from our fractions, that's just 1. So I have 1x, or just x, is equal to 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay, so this is the balance method. Balance method. And that's what we want you to try on Math Space number 10. All right, now back to today. First of all, if you have any questions, you can reach out to Mr. Alvarez. This is his phone number. Holy cow. You can call him or you can text him. 650-503-4178. He can help you answer your questions in Spanish or English. I should have put that, or English. Okay, he speaks English too. course he does. All right, so if you need help from me, I can make video help, but only in English. My Spanish, I mean, I can try and do it in Spanish, but my Spanish isn't so great. So if you want to ask a question in Spanish, you can text it to Mr. Alvarez, or you can even call him. Okay, now, why do I have these names here? These people are missing. I have not heard anything from these people. Vladimir, Emmy, Luis, Andres, Justin, Gabriel, and Julio. Where are they? We need your help finding them. So if you have a phone number for one of these people, can you text them and ask them to get on Canvas and tell me what's going on? Or give them Mr. Alvarez's phone number and have them text Mr. Alvarez. Okay, we're worried about these people. We're really worried. We haven't seen Vladimir in over a week. Or Emmy, or Luis. I think I saw some of you last Friday, but we're worried. Okay, so these people are missing and we need to find them. All right, so now what are we doing today? Today, Friday Fun Day, we are going to be doing what is called a scavenger hunt. Okay, a scavenger hunt. I put the assignment into Canvas. So go to Canvas and look for the assignment, a scavenger hunt. What you're going to do is you are going to find things in your house that start with the letters A, B, C, D, etc. And you're going to take a picture of them and send them to us. You get 1 point for each object. Okay? For each object. And you're trying to do this in English with correct spelling. All right? This is basically an English fun game. So, for example, I have a pair of glasses. I could use that for the letter G. And I have a pen. I can use that for the letter P. So, to set up my picture, I'd maybe take a piece of paper and I say glasses, that's for my letter G. And pen, that's for my letter P. So you want to keep track of the alphabet, right? You want to keep track of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Oh, can I bring him up here? Come here, puppy. Come here. Here. Let's see, here's my dog. Can you see him? Oh, that's kind of hard to do. He's little, but he doesn't really fit on my table too good. Okay, so I could take a picture of my dog for the letter D. Oh, doggy, stop barking. Go outside. Go. Everybody out. Go. Come on. Go. Oh, man, they're so unruly. All right. So you want to try and find things that start with all the letters of the alphabet. So here I found G for glasses and P for pen. And you get 1 point for every object you can find that starts with a different letter of the alphabet. So don't give me another object that starts with G. If you've already given me glasses, don't give me like glove or something. No. You can also use Post-its, okay, or any kind of labels. Right? So if the objects are too big to put on a piece of paper to label, you could like S for sofa, and I can go put that on my sofa and take a picture of my sofa. Okay, so label things. I want to see you moving throughout your whole house too, okay? So it's really easy to do this in the kitchen, so we're going to limit the number of food items to 5. Okay, so no more than 5 food items. Okay, so if you did like apple, banana, carrot, I can't think of a D word right now. Anyway, after you've used, you can't use more than 5 items of food because I think that makes it too easy. I want you moving around your house. This is a scavenger hunt. Okay, the funnier the better. And when you post it to Canvas, everybody will be able to see your pictures. So go ahead and see if you can make your classmates laugh. Let's have a giggle. All right. So If you have any questions, you can email me, you can text Mr. Alvarez, and this is our assignment for today. Go collect stuff. Go take its picture and upload it to Canvas, and you will be able to see each other's pictures, I think, if I set it up right. This is kind of an experiment. Let's see how it goes. Okay, on your mark, get set, go.